Begin by lubricating the propeller shaft with water-resistant grease. Next, slide the front propeller stopper onto the shaft before installing the front propeller. Now, install the remaining front propeller hardware, starting with the front nut spacer. Then, install the front nut stopper so that the rounded tab interlocks with the spacer's circle-marked groove as shown on your screen. Next, install the front propeller nut. Remember, the front propeller nut has a left-handed thread. This means it should be rotated counterclockwise to tighten. Using the prop tool, a block of wood, and a torque wrench, tighten the nut to the recommended torque listed on your screen. Then, bend at least 2 of the spacer tabs toward the nut to lock it in place. Now let's install the rear propeller. Begin by sliding the rear propeller stopper all the way onto the shaft before installing the rear propeller. Next, install the rear propeller hardware, starting with the rear propeller nut spacer, then the washer, followed by the rear propeller nut. Then, using a block of wood to lock the propeller blades in place and a torque wrench, tighten the rear nut to the specified torque on your screen. Finally, insert the cotter pin through the propeller shaft and nut. Once in place, bend the pin to secure.